a leader in that dynamic community. Somali Can, Jibril is here. Somali Education Association, Dr. Abdul is here. Fountain of Hope, Marian Umar is here. United Somali Refugee Women, Marian Ged is here. Thank you all for making this occasion happen. I would like to also thank the other leaders and individuals in the community at large and in the community of Somali descendants. I would like to start with Abdelkhair Sofe of Columbus City Community Relations, Guadalupe Velasquez of Columbus City Community Relations, Saeed Ali of Columbus City Schools, and Othisi of Somali Can, Linda Hagel, Roberta Hagel and Linda Chichir-Sorbadan of Center for Somali Women's Advancement, Professor Ginny Richardson of Ohio State University College of Social Work, Marian Duale of Nationwide Insurance. Thank you all. I would also like to thank the legislative elected officers and other dignitaries who participated in this occasion. House Minority Leader Tracy Maxwell Head, Councilwoman Priscilla Kaiser, Senator